Are you looking for a way to make some quick cash online? What if I told you that you can earn $1 again and again? And best of all, you get paid instantly to your PayPal account with this. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. How you can earn $1 again and again straight into your PayPal account instantly, and this is quick cash. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload on a consistent basis videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, today's video is going to be a quick one, so make sure you stick till the end, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. I'm going to share with you on how you can make some quick cash online. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But this is a great way to get started, to make some extra money online, and you can do it fast. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so basically this is the site that we are going to, surveytime.io, and you can see here that you get instantly rewarded for completing online surveys you want when you need them. Alright, so basically we are going to have a look at first at the FAQ section here. So how does it work? After you sign up to the Survey Time, you answer a few questions to help us create your profile, and we'll offer you the surveys that fit your interests. Then you can start taking surveys and earning $1 for each one you complete successfully. Alright, where can I redeem my $1 reward? There are different gift cards available for each country. For example, in the US, the option are Amazon, PayPal, Target and Decathlon. After choosing your reward, you need to follow the instruction. We send you a confirmation email that can vary depending on the reward you choose. So, how and when will I get notified about new surveys? Now, there are a number of ways. You can do it via text, email and web notifications, of course, also. So what happens if I fail to complete the survey? If you couldn't complete the survey, you will be offered other available surveys that may interest you. But you won't be rewarded for the survey you, of course, weren't able to complete, which is pretty obvious actually. Alright, so the length of a survey could take 10 or 15 minutes, and who can use this? This is actually worldwide also. So basically what we are going to do here is we are going to sign up to see how it looks in the members area here. So we are getting back here, and now I need to fill in my email. I agree with it, and that's it. So the time has come for us to know and send you only the best surveys. Before we start, please answer a few questions. So we are going to fill in the questions here, and let's get started. First we need to fill in the birth date. Right, so it found one survey here after I answered the questions, and now we can get started. Basically the questions was actually in my area specifically, and the same goes here. Alright, I'm going to stop the video here because it took me like 7 minutes, and basically what I wanted to share with you is that it was basic questions that you need to fill in, like a basic survey actually, more or less. And that's how it works, because based on that then they are going to send you some more surveys actually. So they found out that I could actually get started with one survey right away, and all you have to do is actually more or less just fill in the questions there. It might take you 10 to 15 minutes and you make $1 for that. But the cool thing, as I said in the beginning, you're making some quick cash online there. You get paid instantly for answering those questions. So there you have it. You're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity here, but it will definitely make you a few extra bucks there. Now, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below. So make sure you check that out. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video at the end screen here that you can have a closer look at as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.